Here are 5 health benefits of chickpeas, also known as garbanzo beans. It's high in fiber, which can help you feel full and satisfied after eating. This can help you eat fewer calories overall and promote weight loss or weight maintenance. It's also a good source of soluble fiber, which helps to keep your digestive system healthy and regular. It's naturally low in sodium and cholesterol-free. They are also a good source of polyunsaturated fats, which can help to lower cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. It has a low glycemic index or GI, which means that they do not cause blood sugar levels to spike after eating. This makes them a good choice for people with diabetes or prediabetes. It's naturally gluten-free, making them a good option for people with celiac disease or gluten intolerance. Chickpeas are also a versatile and affordable food. They can be enjoyed in a variety of ways, such as in hummus, salads, soups, and stews.